Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I'll be installing this beautiful Balayage Highlight wig from Klaiyi Hair, and this is their pre-curled body wave unit in 24 inches. And what I especially love about this unit, you guys, is that it's a wear-and-go wig. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, and it even comes pre-curled. I went ahead and added in some extra curls with my curling wand, and it comes with these bye-bye knots wig tape, which is perfect for me because I don't like installing my units with glue. This is just a hassle-free, beginner-friendly way to install the wig, and I'll show you guys how easy it is in a second. Okay, so first and foremost, the color is gorge. The color is super vibrant. The hair isn't dry, which is something that I really pay attention to when it comes to color treated units. But as always, Klaiyi never disappoints. One small thing that I noticed is that the curls did drop a little bit. I would just suggest using your hot tool on the highest setting and using a really good hairspray. As I was running my fingers through the hair, I literally only got one strand, so very minimal shedding. That pretty much concludes the video, you guys. Thank you so much to Klaiyi for collaborating with me in this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.